since we have already started off in this mode where we are not observing any form of decorum, we just want to talk when we feel like. We just want to talk when we feel like, and all of these things. And I will not get the opportunity to speak first. Who want to go next?
Doc, hear me I say that, Doc, hear me I
Okay,
say that.
you are a Leroy?
Doc, a Prento me in here.
Oh, Prento. I should call you Prento. Okay.
Doc, me know say me for there.
Oh, you're supposed to be here.
Me know say me for there. I'm not gonna move like them man and behave like some boy. I'm not for there. But that more hear me out going on, man. You look me in my eye and me a talk to you, Doc. That me there for good reason. Years now, man, I work on site, you know. You think some man apprentice, you know, this man I work on site for years. You see me? Alright, I know that me go up on a site work, you know, Doc. And the contractor can move like, say, him want come bait up man thing, you see me? So we have 4 cinder block for move, you know, Doc. 4 cinder block that for move, you see me? So me I want to jump with them say, yo, I can move this. So we are going to take good time and I move the cinder block them, you know, Doc. You see me? I'm going to go so bang bang and I move and I block them and we park it right for getting you know, Doc. So me I juvenile say, yo, we are going to burn a bigger than them thing there, you see me?
Oh, you were smoking weed. Okay. Smokes weed consistently may have affected his ability to reason properly. Okay, Prento, what else did you want to say?
So that the man come talk to me again and I come deal me like say me I'm pitney, Doc. Like me a big man, you know. Doc a 14 pitney me have, you know. 10 baby mother, you know, Doc. And the man come deal me like say me a little pitney. The man come kick me on my foot, Doc. Me foot when me nearly broke while he a move his cinder block, you know, Doc. I come kick man pan man foot and come tell man say yo man fi get up, come on and move lazy. Me say that me just draw fi shovel, you know, Doc. Me draw fi shovel and me give him 1 cross for him back, you know. And mercy of God make him not get 2, you know, Doc.
But Prento, you took a shovel and hit him across his back.
You know, Doc. If you get more out of that shovel, but actually I know, you know, alright, you know, them tell me say boy me come do some anger management and them thing there, you know. And I'm just say, yo, me not forward. You see me, but that, me know say me for there. But me want to make you know, say, you know. Me not stay here too long. And the longer me there, you know, and the more money I come out of my pocket, and the pit them off the feed. And the baby man,
you might want to
money,
rush this session. You have 14 kids with how many baby mothers? This session cannot be rushed, Prento. As a matter of fact, I want to sign you up for 10 more sessions.